Good morning everyone. Good morning children. Today we will present our puppet show entitled Duck Family and a Friendly Parrot. But first, let us introduce ourselves and our character.
Hello, my name is Denny. I would like to be his name is Meg.
My name is Ursuline. I will be the mother duck. Is the pen.
Hi everyone, my name is Emily. Today I will be a Gwen.
Hello children. My name is Priscilla and my character is Dex.
Hi kids, my name is Katrina and I will be a Delroy.
We will start our show now, and we hope you enjoy our show. Hello? Okay.
Good morning, everyone. What a beautiful sunny day.
You are right, mate. The sun is bright and the sky is blue. Wow! Today is a perfect day for adventure.
Where we are going today, Mama?
I was thinking we could visit the beach like nearby.
That sounds like a great idea. We can fly there together.
Children, do you want to fly with us? Let's all clap our wings together.
Papa, how so far is the blue lake?
Not so far, but we must stay close together.
Yes, the sky can change anytime. I'm not scared. I'm a brave duck.
I feel a little nervous.
That's okay, Gwen. Being a brave means trying even when we feel scared.
Children, can you say be brave with us?
Be brave. Look, I can fly so high.
I'm sorry.
Slow down,
Stay close to your sister. Children, can you help us count the ducks flying? Let's count together.
1, 2,
3,
4. That's right. 4 ducks flying in the sky. Up there.
who is flying in my sky?
Oh, hello.
Who are you, my colorful friend?
My name is Parrot, the parrot.
Wow, your feathers are so bright.
Children, can you say hello to the Roy? Wow, such a friendly children. Where are you going today?
We are traveling to the big lake.
Would you like to join us?
Of course, I love making new friends.
Yay, a new friend!
Friends make adventures more fun. Children, do you like making new friends?
Yes! We made it! The lake is beautiful!
The water is sparkling.
Let the rest here for the whale.
Children, can you quack like that? Look, the sun is going down.
The sky is turning orange! It's getting late. We should go home soon.
The winds feel stronger.
You are right, the weather may change.
Children, do you think it will rain?
I think so. Oh no! The clouds are dark!
Children, can you make thunder sounds?
The storm is getting stronger.
Everyone, stay close together.
I am scared.
Ah, the wind is too strong.
Stay calm, children. Wait, I know a big tree that can protect us.
Really? That will help us a lot.
Children, should we follow the Roy? This way, quickly!
I see the big tree.
We can hide under the cactus.
Everyone, come close.
Children, let's stay quiet and listen to the rain.
Don't worry, the storm will pass soon.
Look, the rain is stopping.
The stars are coming out.
We are safe now. Thank you, Parrot. You saved us. That's what friends do.
Children, what role we say to the Lord?
Say,
Thank you, the Lord.
today was today was a big adventure.
And we made a wonderful friend.
Friends help each other during a difficult time.
That is the most important lesson.
Children,